how to recover deleted Yahoo mail or email in your Yahoo account. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage or dashboard, okay, so my inbox is empty. So if you delete the email, okay, you can recover it, okay, by going to left side and go to trust. Okay, click the trust, and now you can see here the message you delete before. So if you want to recover this, so okay guys, you'll have to do is select the email. So for my example, I recover this email from Lazada. Okay, you'll have to do is click the square button of this email, and you can see the check mark, or we have successfully selected this email. Okay, to recover this, okay, you'll have to do is go to top of your email. Okay, you can see here the move folder, so you can move the selected conversation to another folder. So if you want to recover this deleted or delete email, you'll have to do is click this and select the folder you want to recover this email. So for my example, I put the email into inbox, or back to inbox this email. Okay, you'll have to do is click the inbox, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully recovered the deleted Yahoo email. So now I have one email on my inbox, the Lazada. And okay guys, we have successfully recovered deleted Yahoo email on computer.